I want to show an experiment I've been working on here, just a little bit, using natural language programming to program p5.js. P5.js is similar to processing, if you've used that, and it's like a drawing environment with just kind of very, very simple, you know, ways to draw things. Right, so say, draw a circle, and there it goes. There's a circle. Great thing about p5.js is it's like, popular enough that GPT already knows about it. We don't have to tell it about how p5.js works. We just tell it this is a p5.js script, and it will be able to do stuff with it. So here's a script. We start out with something very simple, but we can start and say something like do this. So over here, this is the uh, prompt I'm sending to the GPT service. Now this is using um, the the codex model. So it's specifically code, and as you see, the whole thing is code. And it's just got an introduction. It says this is a p5.js script, has the basic function here, and then has this end comment. And here it says recreate the entire script with comments explaining the purpose of the code, but make a smiley face. Right. So this is where the user request went, and we tell it to recreate the entire script so that it doesn't just like add a smiley face function or something. We also ask it to do comments because, as you'll see, like it's not obvious. You can't look at this and say like, I know those are eyes, and GPT doesn't know those are eyes anymore either. So this helps it understand what's going on as it comes back to this and keeps revising it. And then as soon as it tries to do this end comment, it'll cut it off. So that's just a way to keep it from like going on forever. So it made it seems to have eyes and stuff, but we can't see them. So I think that's because it's using the same color for everything. Okay, there we go. It's kind of a weird proportion. Um, let's see. Now it might just make them bigger. It might help expand them out. Um, this is all right. Interesting. Um, all right, so here we got a face. Now we can maybe do something with it. So p5.js also does animation. And let's see how it does with that. All right, interesting. Instead, it rotated the face and put it way over there and left the rest of the head out over here. Um, GPT does not understand space and numbers and coordinates and the visuals here. So a lot of like the fact that it can make a smiley face is because it's seen smiley faces, not because it actually understands the shape of these things. So I just undid that and we'll try again here. Not bad, not bad. Um, um, slowly between, let's say, red and orange. Let's not try to make it too shocking here. Not the best pulse. Now, eventually I'll show you where it kind of like fails. Let's try so what did it actually do here? Nothing particularly useful here. It seems to, so it's made 10 heads and they're all in the same place. Um, And one thing that would be interesting to add here is some explanations, maybe explanations about the changes, explanations about what the code actually does. Um, but here, let's not put them all on top of each other. Obviously, you need to read code to be able to figure out that's what happened. Whoa, intriguing. Uh, let's not do rotation. All right, let's say, now if we look at the code here it's used some math to decide where each of the things will be, I think. All right, so it's using this translate thing. See if it decides to adapt the translation or what. Okay, we can't now here. It appears, guessing it probably put them, who knows where. Maybe walk them right off the edge of the thing. Let's say, so one thing that does happen here is it doesn't naturally refactor the code very well, but it actually matters, and it will do a better job if, for instance, the head is something that's in its own function. Let's see what happened here. Draw head exists, and this all looks actually pretty good. So why is it using this translate? Why is the translate not working right? So also wanted to kind of show how it works. It has lots of limitations, as you can probably see. And why is none of this working? It all looks actually pretty decent, and yet it does not work. Still, they're just putting them in bad places. Nope, something has gone terribly wrong here. Very possibly something like rotate angle. We might actually be having an error which has not been caught reliably. I'm going to reload this so that the error starts getting caught. Aha, angle is not defined. It's a little bug here, but so this angle thing is really should be a global variable. Let's say what fixit is. So fixit gives a whole function and then says recreate the entire script, but fix the error. And then angle is not defined. Aha. Now let's see what it's done. It has moved angle. Okay, it's defined it. Define it there. Yeah, those errors, again, not necessarily the right thing to fix it, but it's an interesting choice. And finally, we're going to look at the description. I think this could be exposed more widely, but the way this works is it asks, what does this do? So the script draws a yellow head on a random position on the canvas with a random angle around the center of the head. The head consists of a circle, two eyes, and a curved line. So here, the title, it tried to get too long with the title. These are things where this could easily be fixed with some prompt adjustments here. The script is titled, and then it keeps going further. So we could, do something that says stop as soon as you get to a new line. That would fix this particular problem. We can also, specify how long it should be exactly. And down here in the description, you'll see, oh wait, here's the one where it comes with the description. And here we say, oh, here it is. This script does, and then here's the description. Here, the way we're going to use it, it's going to be like, do we really need to talk about things like canvas and random angle and things like this? So, this prompt as well could probably stand to be adjusted so that we're telling it exactly what the purpose of this is. In this case, the purpose would be, um, you know, using non-technical language, describe the output of this script. Might be a better version of this prompt. So yeah, that's what it is.